Let me grab a new one here. Yeah, you can see the difference. Everything is right there, ready to ship. FridayParts.com, that's where the name comes from. Okay, so we're going to be using their clutch kit in order to be able to rebuild the gearbox. So we're going to disassemble this and check out these clutches. Let me grab a new one here. Yeah, you can see the difference. So we're going to get these replaced. But as you can see, it's got chunks missing out of it. Yeah, that one's worn all the way to the plate, so that one's useless. Come out of there. There we go. Alright, so now we've got our oil-soaked set of clutches. Right there. Okay, so we're going to push down and into the post, and then we're going to roll the cap up and over. Pimping, just like that. Okay, it doesn't look like there's any kind of alignment outside of just where that goes right there. Now let's flip this. Aha! There. Okay. Cool. Okay, so if you flip it upside down, that works. Getting these back on. We're gonna push down and roll it towards the pin. Aha! Got it! That's what we gotta do. And we're gonna slide our basket on. Now we're gonna take our clutch core and we're gonna slide this in. So now that slides in. And so I'm gonna rotate this a little bit. We're gonna put straight up. And now we're gonna put our clutch pack on. Okay, so we've got our keyway going straight up. Perfect. And as you can see, that rotated.
Friday Parts, fix it once, fix it right.